MotoVagabondNate and an Ibex 450 how-to installing rally foot pegs and brake embellishment. It's your MotoVagabondNate back with another Ibex 450 upgrade and how-to video. We've got some more that CFMoto crafted factory OEM upgraded parts like the rally foot pegs, our front brake caliper guard, and the rear brake fluid reservoir guard. It's not going to take many tools. We have an 8mm Allen, we have a 10mm ratchet, and a set of needle nose pliers for the rally foot pegs. We're going to start with the brake fluid reservoir guard. Should be a quick, easy operation with the removal of this 10mm right here. So we open the box. Oh, and it comes with an 8mm bolt to replace. Nicely packaged. So we just put that guard on right here. We're going to take our 8mm out, switch over our tools. And that's it. Now we jump up front to the front brake caliper guard. Pulling that beautiful thing out of the box. No additional hardware. We're going to be using the factory caliper bolts right here, which we'll need our 8mm Allen for that. We want to hold the brake caliper, pull that bolt out. We're going to install this directly to the bracket, slip that bottom bolt back in to give us something to bite and hold on to. Then we have to wiggle this line behind the brake caliper bracket and still get it into that hole. For the directions, it looks like it's trying to cover and protect that line. And then we just tighten it back into place. Per our owner's manual on page 180, you'll need 45 to 50 foot-pounds of torque. I'm going to bend that to make sure it keeps a nice angle and try to keep our ABS wire behind the actual protector. Now we're going to do the rally foot pegs. Nice. So these are removable cleats that you can take out. It does come with some extra. We'll see how it wears those boots when we have those bad boys in there. So you can see our angle goes back that direction, so we're going to assume that's that side foot peg. We have a cotter pin hidden in the back. Washer, cotter pin. If we pull this pin, we're going to have a spring. And we work that spring back to the top of the bracket. Slide our pin in, washer, and cotter pin. And we now have a rally foot peg. Now it's just time to do the same on the other side.